Our one-day stay in Catania was cancelled. From the hotel, they booked us to an apartment. Of course, what can we do? Maybe there's another plan by the Lord. Kaya ito yung hotel. Second floor naman siya, hindi ganun kataas. And look at the apartment. It has 2 bathrooms, a very nice interior. Look how amazing and how beautiful it is. Kasi minsan, pag hindi mo nakuha yung gusto mo, huwag ka nang magalit. Siguro may reason. Kaya hindi ba magandang reason to na na-transfer kami? Napakaganda ng apartment. It has 2 bedrooms. May mga accents siya na bikes. Kaya pala, by bike ang pangalan ng apartment sa Catania. Ito yung room namin. Maganda yung interiors, may veranda. Malapit lang siya sa palengke sa left side. May magandang corner kami. Tapos the next room, meron din silang bathroom na maganda. And the rooms are very nice. So next time di mo makuha yung gusto mo, may reason si Lord. Maniwala ka.